Nice. Keep the beat. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Okay. Make sure you have loop off. Just have loop off. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna add. Are you guys ready for another level of complexity?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So keep loop off. And what I'm gonna do is. Here's where our 4 is now, right? Oops. My app wanted to really up the level of complexity.
It turned itself on.
Let's try that again. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Can you guys hear that? It's really soft.
What instrument?
No, I'm just doing this one. You are going to still... Now you can pick whatever instrument you want. Okay? So here's the 4 beats. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Good.
All right.
3, whoops. Hold on, let's start back up Parker again. I lost my ride symbol here.
Okay. Wait, do we keep ours going?
Not yet. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Turn it off.
Good. Okay, good. All right, now what we're going to do, check this out. Now turn loop on and hit clear so that nothing's going on right now. Clear all. Clear all is on the right side. Yeah, so hit clear all. Now we're going to do that same thing. So you'll have your 4 beats, and then what it'll do is it'll all repeat, okay? So this is a really good one to film. All right, so I'm going to start, and then I'll count your 4 beats.
Okay, and be sure you watch your beat because don't come in too soon because it really is.
1, 2,
It's cool.
here you go. Good. 4, 1, 2, 4. Good. All right, now everybody listen. If you have the trumpet on yours going, turn your iPad down just a little bit. The trumpet's really loud. So turn your iPad down, but everybody listen to what we just created. Turn your trumpet up just a tiny bit. We want to have a balance so you can hear everything. So let's do it again. Hit clear all. Now this is where it's really important to listen to what the person did before you and then try and do something like that because that will make it all hold together. That one didn't hold together all that well. We can make it exactly. Let's all pick let's do these let's do from this instrument down to the lyre. So sorry. The lyre, those 5 instruments, starting, ending at the lyre. So lyre, bone flute, balafone, hand percussion, and stumps.
So look at you're going to use any of the 5 from the
Okay.
line up 5.
Oh,
Remember,
yeah,
2, 3, 4, 5.
So, got it? Pick one of those.
I don't see the lion.
Lyre. is the
Lyre.
heart.
The lyre is the one that looks like a heart. Okay, ready? Here we go. Everybody ready? Pick your instrument.
3, 4, 5. Choose one. One of those 5.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Good. 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 Much better. 1, 2, 4. All right, now everybody listen. Much better. Do you guys hear what that is? Anybody want to guess what we just did? We just made music together.
Isn't this cool?
As like a band, and it's something that we just created by listening to what everybody else was doing.
Do you hear it?
Nice. Cool. All right, let's try it one more time. Hit clear all.
They have about 1 minute.
Now, oh, 1 minute? Okay, we'll do one more here. So now, starting with the drum kit, you see the drum kit?
Yeah.
Start with that and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So drum kit all the way down to the piano.
What's a drum kit?
The drum kit looks like some drums.
There's a kit of drums.
Okay, down to the piano. So pick one of those.
Wait, there are 2 pianos.
The second piano. So you've got chords, you've got a piano instrument, you've got a bass, and you got drums. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. Good. Good. Now, everybody listen and hold up your iPads this way, this direction. We just made jazz together. Just like this. Good job, you guys.
Really, really good.
Okay, hit clear all. We'll do more of that next week.